802 ang pagtawag. Wala, sir. 802 networking model or IAAA. While OSI model is a theoretical, the IAA 802 family of standard focus on real-world local area network or LAN and metropolitan area network or MAN. So technologies especially working within layer 1 physical and a layer 2, which is data link of OSI model. It means that EIAA 802 network model daw is dili siya same sa OIS model na mas theoretical. OSI day. Bali, ang mga EIAA or 802 family standards kay mga practical na way para mabuo ang tinuod na data or